Hi, my name is Stanisław Gepner, and in this short video I'd like to invite you to come and have a look at my poster located at poster stand B10, in which I'm presenting some of our recent findings on the topic of hydrodynamic instability in a wavy channel. What we are interested in is application of simple geometrical patterns that are applied in order to obtain desired flow behavior. In this work, we are especially interested in onset of two distinct destabilization mechanisms that exist in such flows. The first one, in the form of a traveling wave, is similar to the classical Tolmien-Stichting wave of the plane phase flow. The second one, in the form of stationary streamwise vortices, exists due to the centrifugal forces created by waviness of the wall. Both destabilization mechanisms, working together, create quite an interesting pattern of bifurcations once nonlinear interactions are accounted for. If you are interested in this work, please do come and see me. I will be more than happy to discuss it with you. Cheers!